Hey, welcome back to our super simple farming game. So far, we have the ability to make some patches on the ground and water them. They'll eventually grow into carrots. We can harvest the carrots and we'll get a carrot from each one. And sometimes we'll get seeds, which is nice. But now I think it's time that we figured out something to do with these carrots after we harvest them. And I was thinking that maybe we'd go over here and there'd be like a little store and we could sell the carrots to the little store. And that's kind of how we'd make our money. Maybe this is the same place we buy more seeds, that kind of thing. So let's make a little farm stand over here and let's just start by drawing it. So I'm going to go to my sprite editor here and let's just maybe draw it down here. I'm going to roll down with my scroll wheel. I'm going to make this a 2x2 kind of thing. And let's just go ahead and make a little farm stand here. So I think we're going to make it out of wood and let's start with a square. So we'll maybe just kind of rough this out. I'm thinking that it's going to have like a little front and a top, and then we'll have little sides like this. Yeah. So let's see, maybe let's just actually make this outlines and we'll fill this in with brown, and maybe we'll have kind of the brighter wood here. So this is like the top of it, top there. We'll have a little edge. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, it's a little stand. We'll kind of round the corners, make it cute, something like that. Yeah. And we'll add a little bit of wood grain here. Yeah, I always like adding wood to things. So much fun. Yeah, maybe something like that. Okay, and we'll have a little, I think that this part is just a little bit too big, so maybe we'll take this up a touch. Yeah, somewhere in there. We'll have a little shadow there. You can have a little texturized roof here, like some shingles. That's kind of cool. There's a little farm stand. Let's just see how that works here. So let's put this maybe like right here. Save, run. And now we have our little farm stand over here. That's kind of fun. And we should be able to go up there and sell things. And maybe we'll add a little bit more to this. Let's actually copy and paste this. Maybe put it over here and maybe right here. There we go. So we can just draw more of this. Make this a little deeper maybe. Okay. I don't know if I like the shingles thing. Maybe make the front of this a little bit more defined. Yeah, like that. Maybe we'll make a little guy here that kind of runs the stand. Say he's like right here. Maybe he has a blue shirt. He's just kind of waiting to take the orders. Yeah, I like that. Maybe he has some brown hair. Yeah, so he's waiting to buy things. And I think below this, maybe we'll have a little like patio thing, something like that. And we'll just kind of give it some sort of like a tiley look. Yeah, like that, and move it up a touch. Yeah, so now we sort of have these little tiles. Now I can hold shift and kind of drag over all of these to select a bunch. And then I can place that wherever I want. So we'll place that right here, save and run. And now we have the little guy there. Oh, so cool. So cool. And I'm thinking that maybe we have like a little fence or something to where, you know, people could, in theory, kind of come over here and buy things, but they can't really get into my farm. So maybe we'll do a little fence too. And so I like to make a fence that's just really simple so I don't have to make a bunch of tiles. I'm thinking something like this to where we have just like a little thing like this. So I don't know, something like this. Let's see what that looks like. If we place this down, yeah, so we can kind of add a fence wherever we want. I'm just zooming out by holding control and hitting the scroll wheel. So yeah, maybe we have a fence that kind of goes this way, goes down like this. Save, run. So yeah, now we have our little fence here. Looks like we need one more. Boop, save, run. Yeah, so there's our little fence. And we don't have any collision set up. Maybe we'll do that next time. Get some collision going for all of this. But now we have sort of a layout of our map to where there's a place to go and sell things. Maybe we have a little trail or something here, like a little road. We can make a little road real quick. Let's do that. Just holding control. So I don't know, we can have like little patches here like this. Maybe there's a couple little things like that. So it's like a little kind of gravel patch. And we could kind of have those like this. Yeah, save and run. Yeah, now we have a nice little place where we can go and sell things. We have a little fence, everything like that. We could even do something like put a little cow over here, you know. It's our world. We can do whatever we want. Pretty cool. And we could do our farming this way, live the farm life as a farming robot. Okay, this is looking a lot cooler. So we'll work on actually adding these with some collision and some interactivity and that kind of thing next time. But for now, if you're following along, I would love to see your farm stand and kind of what that looks like. And again, if you're just getting into Pico-8, I have a Pico-8 course for noobs. It's called Pico-8 Noob to Pro. There's a link in the description. We go through all the basics of how to make games in Pico. It's a lot of fun. Make sure to check it out. Hey, thanks for hanging with me. Hope you have a great day.